Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So you have already reached a place where it's a resistance time on the RSI. So you're looking at a move down here, and the RSI is of course acting as resistance right now. So if I do focus on the RSI at the moment, I'm just gonna double tap on this like that and get into it. So yes, this is the ultimate place of rejection previously. So I do hope if you once you break above here, it could actually be another move up to this level right over there. Now there's one more thing that I also want to talk about, and that is, of course, you have one falling wedge on the daily, and you have also a falling wedge that also appears on the weekly. So if you look at this right now, this is what I'm going to say this. Two is better than one, okay? You have one huge, massive falling wedge on the weekly, which has pretty much appeared. And let me tell you one thing. The maximum time for probably this wedge is going to be until September to October. So I do have a little bit of space for if anything bad happens during September. Maybe in September we could get a little bit of a red market, because September is still a month that does not give me any confidence. Now July is a little bit of relief. You can see that things are pumping just a little bit, not too much, and hopefully we do get to pump even a little bit more higher. But you can see that you have this one falling wedge on the chart patterns, and you have the falling wedge on the RSI as well. So this right here and this right here are two very good signs that the future is probably still bright for Luna Classic as we move forward. So that's all for the quick update. I'm going to see you the next one at the office.